Welcome to our video about all the countries in the world. In this video, we'll be providing you with some basic information about every single country on the planet. First, let's talk about geography. There are 195 countries in the world, located across 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. The largest country by land area is Russia, while the smallest is Vatican City. Now, let's move on to demographics. The most populous country in the world is China, with a population of over 1.4 billion people. The least populous country is Nauru, with only around 10,000 people. The most densely populated country is Monaco, with over 19,000 people per square kilometer. Each country has its own unique culture, traditions, and customs. Some notable cultural landmarks include the Great Wall of China, the Eiffel Tower in France, and the Taj Mahal in India. Many countries also have their own official languages, with English being the most commonly spoken language worldwide. When it comes to economies, there are a wide variety of industries that contribute to each country's GDP. The United States has the largest economy in the world, followed by China and Japan. The smallest economy in the world is Tuvalu, with a GDP of only $45 million. Finally, let's talk about politics. The vast majority of countries are sovereign states, meaning they have their own governments and are recognized as independent by other countries. Some notable exceptions include Puerto Rico, which is a territory of the United States, and Western Sahara, which is a disputed territory. And that's a brief overview of all the countries in the world. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos.